In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have your email and task management working together so you can turn conversations into action without switching tools. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. Sign into your workspace if you aren't already. Make sure you have permission to add apps in your workspace. If you're part of a managed organization, your admin might control which integrations are allowed. Once you're in ClickUp, look down to the lower left corner of the screen for the small grid or waffle icon. This opens the app launcher. Click it to reveal more options. If your layout looks a little different, look for a menu labeled More or something similar that expands additional tools. From there, choose Apps to open ClickUp's App Center. This is where you connect services that extend ClickUp's capabilities. At the top, use the search bar and type Outlook. You should see a result labeled Outlook Mail. That's the one we want for connecting your Microsoft email with ClickUp. Click Outlook Mail to open its details page. Here you can quickly review what the integration does, like letting you send emails to ClickUp as tasks or attach messages to existing tasks so your team has the full context. When you're ready, click Connect. A new Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Select or enter your Microsoft account, then follow the prompts to authenticate. You'll be shown the permissions that ClickUp needs to work with your mailbox. Take a moment to review them, then click Accept to grant access. If your company requires admin approval, you may see a message indicating that consent is needed. In that case, contact your IT admin and try again once access is granted. After you approve permissions, you'll be brought back to ClickUp. You should now see that Outlook Mail shows as connected. If it doesn't update right away, give the page a refresh. From this point on, you can create tasks directly from emails and link important threads to keep your projects moving with all the necessary context. A couple of quick tips if you run into issues. Make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during the Microsoft sign-in, confirm you're using the correct Microsoft account, and, if needed, disconnect and reconnect the app from the same apps page. You can also remove access later from your Microsoft account's connected apps. That's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook. Try sending a test email to a task to see the connection in action and enjoy a smoother workflow right away.